Hey everybody, here at Ecofage Fabrication, we make and sell the most swamp coolers in the entire world. But one thing we don't talk about a lot is that we actually do have original vintage swamp coolers. Here you can see we've got 3 Thermadors lined up here, and we have 2 Seabreezes here too. If you guys are looking for a vintage swamp cooler, we've got them. Head over to vintageswampcoolers.com or ecofagefabrication.com and check out our inventory. Usually we don't advertise these, but this year we have so many lined up here, we're actually going to create a listing if you're looking for an original vintage swamp cooler. All right, so last week we did this video on this Cool-O-Matic swamp cooler. It's in here for restoration, and we unboxed that. Today we've got, actually 3 different swamp coolers arrived, or 3 swamp coolers here. There's 2 in that box and 1 in here. While this was here for restoration, these are all in here for resale. So this was a customer who's trading his Thermador in for a bullet cooler, and this customer, it was an old customer of mine that actually found 2 that he wanted to sell me to go on sale for the website. So let's get these unboxed. This guy did a nice job packing this up. Now the reason he traded this in is he was going to restore it, and he was having trouble getting the cap off. Well, it looks like he was pulling the wrong cap. So he kind of messed this one up. Yeah, this is the cap you want to pull. That was the problem he was having. It looks like he was trying to take the wrong cap off, so we're gonna have to repair this cap. And he had bought some parts from us, so we're refunding him on the parts he bought. It's a new recoil spring. The whole cap's gonna have to get welded on like that other cooler we restored. So that's got some work. But this is exactly why this customer actually kind of ruined the swamp cooler here, because he didn't check out our videos. On our videos we show how to restore these and replace the insides, and you do not pull the send cap. The send cap is welded on. So make sure you check out our channel and watch our videos so that you know how to do it correctly and don't end up ruining a perfectly good swamp cooler. Another thing I should mention is I do have a lot of swamp cooler videos, so there's a playlist of swamp cooler videos that you can check out on my YouTube and look through that to find the video on the specific parts you're looking for. Make it a little bit easier. But if you can't find what you're looking for, just go ahead and message me, email me through my website, and I can link you directly to the swamp cooler video you're looking for. So this is interesting. This is actually a right-hand drive swamp cooler. So this would go on the left hand of the car. So traditionally that's meant for a right-hand drive. This is a Seabreeze. It's got one gentle dent. That'll be easy to get out. There's the filter in there. So this is a lot like the Montgomery Wards. It's a little bit different shape, but I believe it's functionally the same as a Montgomery Ward. Now I'm curious, there's 2 of these, so I'm really wondering. Nice. Okay, so it looks like we've got 1 for each side. We've got a left-hand drive and a right-hand drive. See, this is exactly why you need to rebuild your swamp coolers. Don't know what this is, but it's kind of gross. But that's exactly why you got to rebuild these. And there's another reason. See that? That's supposed to be a basket in there, and there's actually no material in that. So this basket needs to be rebuilt big time. And you can see this one was leaking. Someone was trying to get it sealed up. So that needs to be rebuilt and sealed from the inside. These are sealed from the inside, so that's a clear sign. This one was leaking. There shouldn't be stuff on the outside. Man, this one's really messed up in there. I don't know what's going on with that basket, but it's not centered correctly. There's something going on. Yeah, it should be attached in the back. Hopefully it just came loose with the bolt. So these will need to be rebuilt. But there's 3 swamp coolers. Unboxed, 2 Sea Breezes, and 1 Thermador. Let's go ahead and put these with the collection. Okay, so this is what we have in stock right now. We've got these 2 Sea Breezes. We've got this Thermador with needs some end cap work and recoil fixed, obviously. We've got a Thermador here with it's got a small, a fairly decent dent on that end with a dent on top, but the recoil is working. And then we've got this one which has completely loose end cap. So that one's, it's almost complete, but it needs to be completely put together. So those are the originals we have in stock. We also obviously have plenty of reproduction bullet coolers, Thermadors, and lots of Little Swampies, our most popular, Deluxos, our most popular kit, and we can do the Little Swampies too. So that's what we've got in stock right now for swamp coolers. If you're looking for a swamp cooler or parts for one, hit us up on vintageswampcoolers.com or ecofagefabrication.com, or message me through Instagram at ecofage, or comment on one of my videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time.